What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to install some side markers on your Bmw 1 Series or 3 Series. Today I'm going to show you how to do it on my 135i. So they'll go from this clear one to this black one. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get some sort of tool like this, a little pry tool. And maybe like a microfiber so when you're prying from the edge it won't scratch the paint. So from the back end, so the end that's nearest the door, you're going to want to kind of pry and push forward. So push forward and then pry out, and then it should snap out like that. And then from here, you're just going to want to disconnect this black clip here. So all you want to do is put some pressure on the top, which is right here. So push down on this here. Alright, now it's out. Alrighty, so once you have removed the old light, right here, so the boring clear one, and here's the black one. Basically what you want to do is, there's nothing you have to transfer over from the old one, you just want to basically connect it with the OEM harness here, so you don't have to cut anything, you just literally plug and play. Before you reinstall it, what you can do is, if you have your key handy here, let me just pull my key out real quick. You could just test to see if it works. So let me unlock. Okay, I'm gonna lock it. So they work. So all you want to do is obviously remove the 3M, and then from above here, you're just gonna want to slide it forward, and it kind of just locks in place. That's basically the install right there. It's all in. Double check it again. Yep, and that's it. So if you guys thought that was a useful install video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe here. So here's a final look at it again. The black side markers, I mean, it does look way better in my opinion than the clear. If you guys have any other video suggestions, please feel free to comment.